AirLive Smartlife IoT installation and setting video. AirLive Smartlife IoT Kit, your first DIY package for smart home. It can be applied to different applications, and provides you a whole new lifestyle of home automation, home security, and energy saving. With the live view function of AirLive IoT Kit, you can know who is coming home. Besides, it can support you to build up your home safety system by installing AirLive IoT Kit. With the AirLive Smart Plug, you can also automatically turn on and off different electrical devices via your smartphone. Easy to install. You can scan the QR code on page 1 of QIG to download the Smartlife app. After download the app, you can start to install the gateway. When the internet connection is built, a white LED light will turn on. Before start to install the IoT kit, please note that you need to remove the black mylar first, or the IoT devices will not work. AirLive App Store. Install the AirLive Smartlife Plus by going to the App Store or by scanning the QR code in the QIG. Scan QR code adding gateway. After the installation, open the AirLive Smartlife Plus app. To add the gateway, press the QR code symbol and scan the QR code on the back of the gateway. When this fails, press the search icon. Naming gateway. You can enter your own name for the gateway. Enter the login details. Default ID is admin and password is AirLive. Press the login button to enter the gateway. Device main screen. Default scene screen is shown. Now click on Devices in the bottom left corner. The device screen will show all connected Z-Wave devices. Device Inc-Exc and rename. To add new devices, click on the plus icon and select Include Device. Now select Start Inclusion. A countdown will now start. Power on your device and a red LED will blink. When it does not blink, press the button 3 times in rapid succession. The app will now show the Include device. Renaming a device name. Click on the symbol of the device. Click on the name and you can change it. To change the icon, you need to click on it and select one from the list. Now press Save. To exclude a device, click on the plus icon and select Include Device. Now select Exclusion. A countdown will now start. Press the button your device 3 times in rapid succession. LED will start to blink, and the device will be excluded and removed from the gateway. After following above steps, now you can start operating all of AirLive IoT devices.